Turning turtle left or right. By default, turtle is facing towards the right side. We can change the degree value to change the heading direction. A turtle can be turned in two directions, clockwise right or anti-clockwise left. This can turn the turtle right or clockwise by some degrees, say 90. This can turn the turtle left or anti-clockwise by some degrees, say 90. Turning a turtle. To turn a turtle in AI Connect, follow the given steps. Step 1. Create a new variable t from the variables category. Add set t to block in the script area. Step 2. Add create new turtle block from the turtles block under draw category inside the set t to block. Step 3. Attach make turtle pen down block from the control block under the draw category. Step 4. Attach make turtle move forward by block from the motion block under the draw category and enter input value 100. Step 5. Attach make turtle turn left by block from the motion block under the draw category and enter input angle 90. Step 6. Click on the run button.